Managing diabetes is a journey of creating glycemic stability, where your morning meal serves as the foundation for the day. By choosing a well-balanced breakfast, you effectively silence the spike and crash cycle, keeping your A1C in check and your energy levels steady. This approach centers on protein power from eggs and feta to slow glucose absorption alongside monounsaturated fats from avocado that improve insulin sensitivity. By prioritizing fiber-rich, non-starchy vegetables and low-glycemic ingredients, you ensure a slow, nourishing release of energy that supports your long-term wellness without sacrificing the joy of a delicious start. If you're just tuning into this channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and family, and tell us where you're watching from in the comments section. In this video, you will learn how to craft a gourmet, low-carb breakfast that feels indulgent while remaining metabolically smart. This meal is meticulously designed to be blood sugar friendly, leveraging high fiber and protein to ensure minimal impact on your glucose levels. By featuring good fats from avocado and olive oil, we prioritize a heart-healthy start without compromising on taste. With tangy feta and fresh vegetables leading our flavor-first approach, you'll never feel like you're on a restrictive diet. Best of all, this efficient recipe takes less than 15 minutes from prep to plate. To create this nutrient-dense breakfast for one, start with 2 large pasture-raised eggs for a high-quality protein foundation. You will need a 1/4 cup of roughly chopped fresh spinach, 2 tablespoons of finely diced bell peppers, and a tablespoon of minced red onion to provide essential fiber and color. For healthy fats and tang, gather a tablespoon of crumbled feta cheese and a 1/4 of a medium avocado, sliced or cubed. Use 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil for heart-healthy cooking, and finish with a pinch of black pepper, keeping additional salt minimal since the feta provides a natural savory punch. Before you turn on the heat, take a moment to prep your fresh ingredients for a seamless cooking experience. Begin by washing and dicing your bell peppers, onion, and spinach to ensure every bite is packed with vibrant nutrients. Crack your 2 large eggs into a small bowl, whisking them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are perfectly combined with no streaks remaining. Finish your preparation by slicing the avocado, crumbling the tangy feta, and measuring out your olive oil. Having everything ready at your station ensures a calm, efficient start to your morning. Once your ingredients are prepped, the next step is to organize your cooking station for a seamless experience. Begin by selecting a non-stick 8-inch skillet, which is the perfect size for a single-serving omelet. Pair this with a heat-resistant silicone spatula, as its flexibility prevents the delicate eggs from tearing during the flip. For a professional touch, you may choose to warm your serving plate, ensuring your breakfast remains light and fluffy until the very last bite. Keep the stove turned off during this stage to prevent any premature burning, allowing for a calm and focused environment. With your station ready, it is time to bring the flavors to life by sautéing the aromatics over medium heat. Begin by adding the olive oil to your skillet, then introduce the diced peppers and onions. Allow them to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the onions turn translucent and the peppers soften slightly. To finish this stage, add the fresh spinach and give it a quick toss for just 30 seconds. This brief hit of heat allows the greens to wilt perfectly without losing their vibrant color or essential nutrients. With your aromatics perfectly softened, reduce the heat to medium-low to ensure a gentle cook that preserves the egg's delicate texture. Pour the whisked eggs directly over the sautéed vegetables, tilting the pan with a steady hand so the liquid flows to every edge, creating an even foundation. Allow the omelet to cook undisturbed for approximately 2 minutes. You are looking for the edges to become firm and opaque while the center remains slightly tacky and glistening, signaling that it is the perfect moment to move toward the final filling and fold. To complete the cooking process, sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese evenly over 1/2 of the omelet, letting its tangy aroma bloom. Using your flexible spatula, carefully fold the plain half over the filling, creating a neat pocket of warmth. Press down gently to marry the layers, allowing the omelet to cook for one final minute. This ensures the feta softens into the vegetables and the eggs finish setting perfectly. Once the structure is firm yet tender, turn off the heat, leaving the skillet ready for a graceful transition to your plate. With the cooking complete, slide the omelet gently from the skillet onto your plate, taking care to maintain its light and fluffy structure. To elevate the meal both nutritionally and visually, top the warm eggs with your prepared fresh avocado slices. A final crack of fresh black pepper adds a subtle aromatic heat that complements the tangy feta. This single nutrient-dense portion is perfectly calibrated for your wellness, providing an ideal 1-to-1 ratio of high-quality protein to healthy fats, ensuring you feel satisfied and energized as you begin your day. This Veggie Omelet Deluxe serves as a powerful ally in your daily wellness routine, specifically engineered to extend fullness through a strategic combination of fiber and protein. By satisfying your hunger early, it naturally reduces the urge for mid-morning sugary snacks that can disrupt your progress. With less than 7 g of net carbs, this meal effectively stabilizes glucose levels and prevents sharp post-meal spikes. Furthermore, the inclusion of fresh spinach and peppers ensures you are fueled by essential micronutrients like vitamin C and magnesium, both of which play a vital role in supporting long-term metabolic health.